morning all of you. Myself Dr. Nidhi Shrivastava and today's topic is anterior cranial fossa. So anterior cranial fossa is the first part of the internal aspect of the base of the skull. So firstly we should study the boundaries of the anterior cranial fossa. Boundaries. Anteriorly and side of the anterior cranial fossa is formed by the frontal bone. Posteriorly formed by the posterior margin of the lesser wing of sphenoid, anterior clinoid process and anterior margin of the sulcus chiasmaticus. Okay, anterior margin. This is the anterior margin of the sulcus chiasmaticus. Okay. Now, posterior border of the lesser wing of the sphenoid, This is lesser wing of the sphenoid. Anterior margin of the sulcus chiasmaticus. This sulcus chiasmaticus or optic groove. Okay, it is also called optic groove. And anterior clinoid process. Anterior clinoid process. Floor. Medially. In median plane, floor formed by the cribriform plate crista galli. Okay, and anterior part of the body of the sphenoid, that is zygum sphenoideae. Okay, zygum sphenoideae. Now, laterally, floor formed by the orbital plate of the frontal bone. Now, let's study these structures one by one. Now, cribriform plate. Cribriform plate is the quadrilateral in shape. Let's enlarge this figure here. cribriform plate. Okay, anterior cribriform plate is quadrilateral in shape. It also has margin. Okay, anterior margin. Anterior margin is articulate with frontal bone. See, this is the anterior margin, articulate with frontal bone. And frontoethmoidal suture. Okay, and frontoethmoidal suture, and median and medially on this suture there is a foramen, that is the foramen cecum. Okay, here foramen cecum. Okay, foramen cecum is the blind canal. Generally, it is a blind canal. Okay. Now, posterior part. Posterior margin of the cribriform plate articulate with the zygum sphenoidea, that is the anterior part of the body of the sphenoid. Okay. Posterolateral, which is the posterior and lateral. Okay. Posterior means niche and laterally. So posterolateral, there is a canal opening called posterior ethmoidal canal. Okay, and lateral margin formed by the orbital plate. Okay, lateral margin formed by the orbital plate of the frontal bone, and on this margin only there is a canal opening, that is anterior ethmoidal canal. Through this canal, anterior ethmoidal canal and posterior ethmoidal canal, ethmoidal nerve and bacillus passes. Now, in the center of this cribriform plate, there is a bony projection. That is crista galli. Okay. Crista galli is the bony projection, which is also called fox curve. Now, here is several foramina. You can see here is a several foramina, opening of the foramina. These numerous foramina passes the rootlets of the olfactory nerve. Okay. So these all about the cribriform plate. Then zygum sphenoidea. Zygum sphenoidea is the anterior part of the body of the sphenoid. It separates the anterior cranial fossa from sphenoidal sinuses. Okay. Now, then there is the optic canal. This is the optic canal and superior orbital fissure. Now, this is the lesser wing of the sphenoid. It projected medially. Then lesser wing of the sphenoid projected medially. It formed a process called anterior clinoid process. See here. Okay. This is the lesser wing of sphenoid. Medially, this lesser wing of sphenoid is broader, and when it goes laterally, it will get narrower. Okay, it is broader medially, and it get narrower when it get narrower laterally. Okay. Now, this lesser wing of sphenoid, when this lesser wing of sphenoid medially form a process is called anterior clinoid process. Okay. Now, anterior and posterior root of the lesser wing of sphenoid encloses an optic canal. This is the optic canal. Now, superior orbital fissure. Superior orbital fissure. Anterior border of the superior orbital fissure is formed by the lesser wing of sphenoid. Okay, superior orbital fissure broader medially but get narrower laterally. Okay, it is broader medially and get narrower laterally. Okay, so this is all about the lesser wing of sphenoid, and there is a groove which is called sulcus chiasmaticus. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you so much.